Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by capturing clean audio. Position a quality mic 6 to 12 inches away and set input gain so peaks land near -6 dB. Once done, record at 24-bit, 48 kHz to preserve headroom and reduce noise. This makes editing easier later. Make sure to reduce background reflections with blankets or foam, because a dry, present tone is Decodingyt's hallmark. Don't waste time agonizing over presets. Capture a reliable raw take, and you'll have the flexibility to shape it in post. Next, focus on delivery and performance. Speak conversationally, a touch quicker than your normal pace while staying perfectly clear. That energy keeps listeners engaged. Once you have a line, emphasize crucial words by increasing volume and slight vowel lengthening. This contrast creates the signature informative yet urgent tone. Make sure to record 2 to 4 takes of each sentence so you can comp the best syllables. If needed, use a light pop filter and keep breaths consistent. These small tweaks maintain a polished, human feel. Finally, assemble and refine the audio. Comp your best takes, trim breaths, and tighten timing so sentences flow logically. Once done, apply corrective EQ, cut rumble under 80 Hz, and add a modest 2 to 4 dB lift between 3 and 6 kHz for clarity. Then use gentle compression at about 2 to 3 to 1 to even dynamics without squashing energy. Make sure to export at a high bitrate or lossless format for publishing. If sibilance or harshness appears, use a light de-esser and recheck levels before upload.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.